In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Chrome from asking to save passwords. Let's get right into it. First, you'll want to go ahead and open Google Chrome on your device. Once you have that up, take a look in the top right corner of the browser window, and you'll notice a three dots icon. This is your gateway to a range of Chrome options, giving you control over various settings. Go ahead and click that icon. After clicking the three dots, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this list, you'll need to choose Settings. This will open up a new window or tab, depending on your setup, where you can manage many aspects of your browsing experience. In the new Settings window, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. From this menu, find and select Autofill and Passwords. This option is specifically designed to manage saved information like passwords and payment methods, and is key to controlling what Chrome tracks and stores for you. Next, you'll want to navigate to Google Password Manager. Clicking this option will take you into the hub that manages Chrome's password saving feature. In this section, you can view, manage, or delete passwords you've already saved. But more importantly, you can modify the settings related to passwords. Once you're in the Google Password Manager, focus your attention on the left side of the screen where you will find the Settings section. Here, you're going to look for the toggle labeled Offer to Save Passwords and Passkeys. This toggle is currently responsible for Chrome's habit of asking you every time you enter a new password if you'd like it saved. To stop this from happening, simply click the toggle to turn it off. Once turned off, Chrome will no longer prompt you to save passwords. Rest assured, by doing this, you're not deleting any passwords you've already saved. You'll just be preventing future prompts. And there you have it. With this simple adjustment, your journey through the web can now continue uninterrupted by those pesky save password prompts. Remember, any passwords you've chosen to save before will still be accessible through your password manager. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your browsing experience. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tricks. See you next time.